Stole my first rental property at 23 with zero experience and thought I'd struck gold until my tenant called at 2 a.m. about a burst pipe flooding the entire basement. That night changed everything. Standing ankle deep in murky water, I realized real estate investing isn't about collecting rent checks while sipping cocktails on a beach. It's about becoming a problem-solving machine at the most inconvenient times. Here's what nobody tells you about property management. Your tenants aren't just paying customers, they're human beings with real problems. When Sarah lost her job during the pandemic, conventional wisdom said evict immediately. Instead, I worked out a payment plan. She's now my longest tenant and refers quality renters to my other properties. The maintenance issues taught me the most valuable lesson. That burst pipe cost me $3,000, but it showed me something crucial. Every problem is actually an opportunity to add value. I didn't just fix the pipe, I waterproofed the entire basement and raised the property value by $15,000. Market trends hit different when you're actually in the game. While everyone panicked about rising interest rates, I pivoted to short-term rentals in my college town properties. Revenue jumped 40% because I adapted instead of complaining. The real secret isn't having perfect properties or perfect tenants. It's developing an unshakable mindset that views every challenge as data, every setback as education, and every difficult conversation as relationship building. 3 years later, I own 7 properties, not because I avoided problems, but because I learned to dance with them. Your biggest disasters today become your greatest advantages tomorrow if you stay curious instead of defeated.